Well, you gotta hand it to George Vogelsang. He doesn't give up.
Look out.
This is number 2 ship.
Oh, I thought he was gonna veer over.
I'll be flying his pulse jet Messerschmitt
Stretch the bungee cord.
328. That's
There's the
twin pulse
dolly.
jet.
Hand it to you.
Behind the area.
Thanks a lot. That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Gotta hand it to you, George. Gotta hand it to you.
67 pictures of a Fokker tri-motor he had, which had a VW type engine cut down in it. He also flew a Sopwith aircraft.
These pulse jets run on white gas. We're preparing number 2 for flight.
Okay, that's a new sound tape that's out on the Reno Air Races Record 3. George is checking the control surfaces right now. They've got those round tubes around.
The shroud didn't let go on the left. Damn airplane out.
Stay clear of the airplane.
Where's the fire extinguishers?
George, you want fire? Oh, it's okay. Come on, fire extinguishers.
Okay, he's still got one of the pipes with him. One of the hell, what a disappointment.
Hey, heard the photos. That's why we want people to stay back and fly.
What a disappointment.
Tomorrow we're going to have another pulse jet flying out here.
What happened is one of the protective tubes hung up on the left engine,
Yeah, so you can hear what they sound like. You heard these
and that drug it to the left. That's helped deflect the flames away from the horizontal stab when he's starting. They were supposed to. That was supposed to stay behind. The flap just kind of burned up there.
Well, Warren, that's the way it goes.
You know what we
Nothing
call
to
that in
thank for.
English?
Yeah.
That's a hair split without banking.
He takes
Put it right on there. Där.
Backward.
Där är tyngden.
Well, Andreas is here with his dusty airplanes. It's really dusty out here this weekend. Look at that. Back 11.
It's a long spinning.
Just as dusty as the DC-3.
Except that, yeah, you need a smaller one. Yeah.
Wrinkles in it.
9-cylinder Seidel radial engine. Now is that dust or is that dust? There goes some more dust. Andrews is preparing the Spitfire. That is dust. Mocha's GB Zeta. And what do we have here? The new Proctor flag. What do you call it, Dick?
What do we call it?
What do you call this? The new Proctor sign?
Proctor ball.
Laser, 4-stroke engines, Proctor model aircraft, Seidel radial engines. And who we have? We got Paul here also. The maker of the rotary Bentley engine.
Rotary team.
And we've got visitors from Portland, Oregon. Barbara and Diane Anderson.
Diane Clapp.
Oh, yeah, well, she was Anderson when I knew her. Now she's Clapp. That's right. She's got a couple of kids, 3 or 4. The Racer brothers.
I think you hold your camera crooked.
How's that? Andreas Gates. Andreas Gates is going to fly his Yak 11, 9-cylinder Seidel. Andy Getz from Germany. Andreas Gates from Germany. Seidel 9-cylinder, Yak 11.
Still a little bit rich.
Andreas is swinging it. Wow, a 2412 on this 9-cylinder Seidel radial. Wolfgang Seidel, Balch, Germany. Makes that engine. Available through Proctor Enterprises. And the wind is blowing. Nice and quiet.
Very rich. The engine is very
35 pounds of airplane.
It's not full power.
And it's not full power because he says it's running awfully rich on this flight. Color. Running rich. Running rich. Can you imagine that? No nitro, right, Andreas?
No nitro.
No nitro, about 5 to 6% oil,
5% oil.
and all the rest of it's alcohol. Methanol. 20 knot headwind. Okay, Andreas is going to do a nice flyby for us.
The next one.
The next one, okay. Yak 11.
Too high.
Down for a nice flyby. Oh boy, magnificent. Gear down.
Way to go.
Okay, this is going to be the landing. Andy flew this a week later at the U.S. Scale Masters Championships at Fountain Valley, California for demonstration. And it looks like he's going to walk away from it. I would say. Not too bad.
Just like
9 cylinders, just purring like a kitten. Is going to put on an air show for us tonight. It's Friday evening, about 5 o'clock. Things are dying down because of the wind, but we're going to have some excitement coming up. Well, we got a correction to make. These guys are not from Florida. They're from Soda Springs, Idaho. The southeast corner of Idaho near Bear Lake. And they got a Sukhoi 29. That's really neat. Here we go. The guys from Soda Springs, Idaho are doing it. Test flight, test flight. Looks good, guys. Avid flyer. Getting ready to go out to dinner, right?
Yay!
Who all wants to go to dinner? Say yes.
You can't get out. Yes!
All right. There's Bill's Bonanza in the background. That's a club airplane right there.
Club airplane.
Refrigeration air conditioning meeting. Well, it's Sunday morning. It's overcast, but it sure is nice out. This looks like at least a third or half scale Ultimate.
This is the choke.
Okay, the banner's just dropped.
40. Focus that camera. Stinson SR9, Emil Neely kit, Icon Northwest. He's down. Walt Loka. Focus that camera. Very nice. J3 Cub. Whoa, he's going to do that again. Touch and go on a spacewalker. How about that? Here's Claude's twin arrow car.
Only one was built used for aerobatic.
Twin air car.